What if I told you there was a better way to manage your data? A way that was more flexible, more powerful, and more affordable than Quickbase. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a number of alternatives to Quickbase that I believe are better suited for most businesses. I'll start by discussing the limitations of Quickbase. Then, I'll introduce you to some of the best alternatives, including low-code platforms, spreadsheet software, and database management systems. Finally, I'll provide some tips on how to choose the right alternative for your business. Limitations of Quickbase. Quickbase is a powerful low-code platform that can be used to build custom applications. However, it has a number of limitations that make it less suitable for some businesses. Cost. Quickbase is expensive, especially for large businesses. Complexity. Quickbase can be complex to use, especially for non-technical users. Limited customization. Quickbase offers limited customization options, which can make it difficult to tailor the platform to your specific needs. Lack of scalability. Quickbase may not be able to scale to meet the needs of large businesses. Alternatives to Quickbase. There are a number of excellent alternatives to Quickbase that offer more flexibility, power, and affordability. Here are a few of the best options. Low-code platforms. Low-code platforms are a great alternative to Quickbase for businesses that want to build custom applications without having to write a lot of code. Low-code platforms are typically more affordable and easier to use than traditional development tools. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets can be used to manage data and build simple applications. Spreadsheet software is a good option for small businesses that don't have complex data management needs. Database management systems. Database management systems, DBMS, are powerful tools that can be used to store and manage large amounts of data. DBMSs are a good option for businesses that have complex data management needs. Choosing the right alternative. When choosing an alternative to Quickbase, it's important to consider your specific needs. Here are a few factors to keep in mind. Cost. How much are you willing to spend? Complexity. How easy is the platform to use? Customization. How much customization do you need? Scalability. How well will the platform scale as your business grows? Once you've considered these factors, you can choose the best alternative for your business. Quickbase is a powerful low-code platform, but it has a number of limitations that make it less suitable for some businesses. There are a number of excellent alternatives to Quickbase that offer more flexibility, power, and affordability. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the alternatives to Quickbase. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're looking for a better way to manage your data, I encourage you to try one of the alternatives to Quickbase that I've discussed in this video. I think you'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching.